This is the booth of AitalMAC. Here, we will invite the representative of AitalMAC to share with us for her company and the product. Let's give the time to him.
Hi, hello and welcome. Welcome to our booth. Let me show you our machine. Thank you for visiting us. I'm Luca, Vice President and son of the owner, Romeo. This is our machine. I would like to start by telling you a short story of our company. AitalMAC is a family business established in 1988. The root of our company is our Italian family tradition in the stone industry for many generations. My father decided to move the production in Italy to China in 2003 for the purpose of manufacturing high quality product for a reasonable price. In 2004 we built the first plant in Nanjing, China, and we soon started production of saws and later CNC routers. And the edge polisher that are also still working today. To keep growing, we always steadily invested back into manufacturing and research and development. We own many international patents for machine designs and working technology in the stone industry. Most advanced technological components on our machines, like CNC controllers and spindle and other vital electronics, are developed and manufactured by our sister company AiTech, which we also sell these components to our competitors. This allows AitalMAC to be very competitive with pricing and also gives AitalMAC the know-how to improve, always improve and provide stable and easily remotely serviceable machines. We have been very successful in the international market in the stone industry, also in China and in all over the world. After more than 30 years, we are still going very strong. We recently built our second plant to further expand production, but today we are here to present at the 2021 Xiamen show our latest model, AitalMAC Orbit A8. We believe this is going to be the future of kinch-top countertops fabrication, the most advanced machines in the market. It's the ultimate evolution of the modern fabrication facility. Today, to manufacture countertops, you need multiple machines that will resemble a production line, where a lot of personnel is involved and there is a lot of downtime involved with the moving parts around, from one machine to the next. In this kind of manufacturing, you will have a bristle, a CNC router, and an edge polisher. And especially now with the new material, you also need a water jet. AitalMAC A8, this machine, it's an all-in-one reliable machine that can do it all of the above. A combination of all the indispensable machines to fabricate kitchen countertops. The Orbit A8 is a double table 5-axis saw jet with a vacuum manipulator and flipper. It's also a 5-axis full-fledged CNC work center and a straight edge polisher all in one machine. The advantages of this machine is always being aware of where the parts are, to be able to do multiple processing on top and bottom of the stone, all in one machine. The A8 fabrication process starts with an easy load of the slab and on the tilting table, and the machine produces every straight cut with the blade, with the saw blade, and the parts that don't line up will be moved by the vacuum manipulator and then be finished with the saw blade. The water jet also can come in, takes over and finish the seam corners, tight curves and other complex cuts that cannot be done with the blade. The parts that don't require finishing can be unloaded by the machine automatically, and the parts that do require finishing will be moved to the flipping device and will be placed on the finishing table. The incredible finishing table is completely automatic and it will retain the parts automatically. The table is extremely durable, uses our own vacuum pods for perfect suction, and at the same time the lifting mechanism is very simple and reliable. The machine can then change to CNC profiling tools to produce polished edges and sinks, and also uses the 3 pads polishing system located behind the main motor to quickly polish straight edges. The finishing parts will then be unloaded while the next slab will be loaded ready for the next project. The water jet direct drive pump, it's been redesigned by AitalMAC and it's perfectly integrated with the machine. The pump is controlled by pressure reading to always maintain the correct pressure in any circumstance, even prolonged use. The pump is very quiet and consumes very much less power compared to the intensifier pump. The water jet allows the AiT to process a wide range of materials, including ceramic stone, natural stone, and sintered synthetic stone. The smart software on the machine allows even not experienced users to produce high quality products like an experienced stonemason. Because most experience comes from within the software ready set parameters, AitalMAC 8 will have an incredible impact on your shop productivity. Okay. Also has automatic tool change, the blade, and thank you very much for coming and visiting us.
Thank you for sharing with us. Bye-bye.